Hi everybody. Now I am going to tell human relationship. Have self-confidence. For each and every person, confidence is most important. We have to improve that ability in our life. It gives smooth relationship with others. Understanding is very important. We have to understand each and every person. We are living in the society. We should have good relationship with others. Make friendship. Always be positive. Take positive advices from them. Avoid negative advices. It improves our capability. We can lead our life smoothly and happily. Admit it when we are wrong. If we did any mistake in our life, we have to accept that mistake in a positive way. It gives more happiness in our life. Never make promises when you cannot keep it up. Don't commit anything. That is the best way to build human relationship. Respect others and elders. It gives more attachment. We can share many things with them without hesitation. Courtesy is most important. Explain everything thoroughly. Before telling anything, you should make planning, preparation and presentation. Before talking, think twice. You will be the better person in conveying the things. Look, listen and learn. Anything, first you look that one and learn and listen it carefully. We can go through so many things by following and using these three in our life. Avoid argument. Don't argue with others. It gives negative attitude. You have to improve conveying capacity to others. Then you won't argue in that moment by following this. Be social and approachable. Always try to be approachable. We are living in the society. We need each and every person. We have good communication, healthy relationship, friendly nature and smooth approachable thinking. By doing all these things, we can build good relationship with them. That is very important in each and every life. In human life, so many relationships happen from childhood to old age. Mother and father relationship, brother and sister's relationship, student and teacher relationship, friendly relationship, husband and wife relationship, grandparents relationship. All these things we have to teach our children from childhood itself. Then only they will become a good citizen to follow this humanities. If we give love to them from childhood, they will give the same love when we are in old age. That is required to all the persons. For to improve human relationship, always we should positive, friendly, happily and lovely. Then only we connect with each other in an easy way. Hope everybody likes this video. If you like this one, you also follow these small tips in your life. You will become a better person and better citizen. Okay, bye.